Welcome to an early morning extravaganza where I'm going to show you the best way to conceal the dark circles and bags under your eyes. First, we're just going to do the full makeup routine. I use this BB cream because it only comes in 2 colors, and color matching is quite possibly my least favorite thing in the world. And this is all I use. So, yeah, really exciting stuff there. The lighting in my bathroom is so good. Guys, like, it's amazing. Anyways, you're just gonna put this all over your face. Or whatever foundation you use. I'm all about fast and simple. So, I like low to no coverage. Because I don't want people to think I look sick if I don't want makeup on. Which happens more often than not. Okay. The face is completely covered. Okay, second you're going to want to put on whatever mascara you have lying around. I have some Snapscara. Because I like stuff that's easy to take off, so it's not waterproof. Or like day proof? I don't know. Sounds like my kids are doing stuff. Okay, so now for the under eyes. I use this Model's Own glitter primer. I don't know how to do that stuff. I'm not a beauty guru. I'm not a beauty guru. Just a mom trying to do the best she can. You don't need a lot, but I've already got too much on my finger, so. And you're just gonna put that in the general under eye area. And then I'm gonna use the color Mars today. Because that's the color I'm feeling. It's got 3 sizes of glitter in it. Make sure we get some of the chunky glitter in there. I mean, it's very brightening. And then nobody's going to be asking you, why is your hair not done? Why are your children still in their jammies? They're going to be wondering where they can get some amazing concealer. Oh. This eye's going to go a lot lower than the other eye. And there you have it, guys. Now I'll check in at the end of the day to see how well this lasted through all the fun, exciting things we have planned today. Like playgroup and grocery shopping and cooking dinner. Okay, bye. Ooh, it's really close. So here we are at day's end. As you can see, it held up perfectly. And now, just kind of scrape it off a little bit with your fingernail. And just own that there'll be glitter around for a little bit. And then I wipe it off with one of those makeup cleansing towelettes.